Number 4. Your blood sugar. When we consume carbohydrates, our body breaks them down into sugar and releases insulin to help lower your blood sugar levels. But what happens when you have too many carbs? Your pancreas will eventually get tired of producing so much insulin. And this is where the problem starts. Excess insulin leads to fat storage and high blood sugar. So you're basically gaining weight and at the same time becoming a diabetic. But if you add chia seeds to your diet, things can get better because these little seeds are rich in fiber. Fiber slows down the digestion process, which means that your body absorbs the sugar more slowly. In one study, for example, chia seeds reduced fasting blood sugar by up to 15% in people with type 2 diabetes. No. 3. Weight loss. Chia seeds can also help you lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than you burn. That's just how it works. Now, chia seeds don't directly burn any calories, but they can help you meet your daily calorie goals without you even realizing it. How does it do this? Well, as we mentioned before, chia seeds are high in fiber. Fiber makes you feel full for longer, and it has been shown to reduce appetite. A recent study found that eating 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day led to 6 pounds or 3% weight loss over a period of 3 months. And here's another thing. Chia seeds contain healthy fats. When your body digests them, it produces hormones that signal fullness. These hormones include cholecystokinin, which slows down how quickly food passes through your stomach. It also stimulates the release of another hormone called leptin, which tells your brain that you're full and satisfied. No. 2. The heart. The top 2 causes of heart disease are high blood pressure and high blood sugar. As we already know, chia seeds can help control both of these risk factors. But there's more. They are also packed with antioxidants that help prevent free radical damage to your heart. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. Over time, this damage can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease. One way to reduce free radical damage is by eating foods rich in antioxidants. Luckily, chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants. In fact, they contain more antioxidants than almost any other type of food out there. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. No. 1. The bowel. For people who suffer from constipation, chia seeds may be a true blessing. When added to a meal, these tiny seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach. This gives you a feeling of fullness and makes you less likely to suffer from constipation. Also, the fiber in chia seeds acts as a natural laxative. It softens the stool and makes it easier for it to pass through your digestive system. This can help relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Another benefit of chia seeds for the bowel is their prebiotic effect. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. When these bacteria digest prebiotics, they release substances that promote gut health. So by eating chia seeds, you can improve the health of your bowel and reduce the risk of gut-related disorders. Now, if you're wondering how exactly to incorporate chia seeds into your diet, the possibilities are endless. You can start your day with chia seed pudding. Just soak chia seeds in milk or yogurt overnight, and then add your favorite fruits and sweeteners. Or if you prefer savory flavors, you can make a chia seed egg. Simply mix ground chia seeds with water and pour the mixture into a pan on low heat. Once it thickens, you can add chopped vegetables and your favorite seasonings. Remember, chia seeds are tiny but mighty, so even a small amount can provide numerous health benefits. Now that you know the incredible benefits of chia seeds, it's time to give them a try. Start by adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your breakfast cereal or smoothie. And as you become more comfortable with their unique texture, you can explore more recipes and incorporate them into your daily meals. Don't wait any longer. Give chia seeds a chance and experience the difference they can make in your overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. We would greatly appreciate it if you could also subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Have a wonderful day.